everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another renovation vlog. I know I say this every single room we do and every single renovation vlog. I'm like, this room I'm really excited, this is going to be like the best room. I said that about the nursery, and then I said that about our room, and then I said that about the living room. But genuinely, this room that we're going to do now on this vlog is literally going to be the favourite room in the house, because it's going to be like the family room. So it's not renovation part 4. I thought I'd do a whole video on its own with this, because it's such a big room and there's a lot of transformation going on. So I thought I'd do a video on its own, which is a playroom video. So the back room, I will just take you in at the minute. The back room, if you would have seen on the last vlogs, was like my washing area, or was like my washing room. We didn't really use it, it was just like shut away, but now it's getting done. The time has come for that room to be done. We saved a bit of money, so we're able to get a few bits done on that. So I'll just show you in here. So this is the room. Obviously it would have changed loads last week. If you do follow me, obviously it has changed loads since you've last seen it. But yeah, it was plastered on Friday. So this is it at the minute. Please just ignore that. It's just condensation from the humidifier. But yeah, the roof's been plastered. We're just waiting for it to dry. I'm trying to give it focus. Hate it when my camera does this. I'm trying to give it a good week or two so it's properly dry. And we've also had the chimney breast bricked up. There was literally here, if you remember on the last vlog, there was an awful, like, gaudy 1950s, I don't know what it was. I think, yeah, it must have been 1950s, marble fireplace, gas it was. So that's been ripped out, and then there was a massive hole, and it literally goes all the way up. It's just empty. So this has been bricked up and then plastered over. And then here we had bricks, because obviously this was an archway, if you remember. This has been bricked up and replastered. And then obviously my table and a 2-seater that's going in here is just being put there for the minute. So this is where we're up to at the minute, just plastering. And we've had another plug socket fitted. So that's where we're up to at the minute, but I'm gonna vlog the whole step of the way, because I'm really excited about this room, because it's for Arthur, and I can't wait just to get it done. I want to get it done before he's crawling, just so I can get him a little playpen in here and a play mat, and he can use his walker because it's a big room. So yeah, stay tuned. Next time I see you will be a blink in the eye for you, but it'll probably be when I'm painting it or it's painted, and we're choosing the flooring and getting things going. So yeah, so it's been a couple of days now. I say a couple of days, it's been like 4 weeks. No, it's not, it's been 2 weeks. Still a bit dramatic here. Anyway, the last time you seen this room, it was plastered. We've started painting. When I say we, Sam's actually doing this room. I've done the roof on half of it. As you can, let me just show you. This half of the roof, it needs doing, and this half's done. So we've painted it all now. Obviously it needs 2 more coats. So we started painting it. I'm nipping to B&Q today because I was just going to leave it, because the room's quite dark, because we've blocked that entrance up. I was going to leave it just pure white, but because it's going to be a playroom / dining room, I wanted it to be a bit more playful. So I'm actually doing something on this wall. So I need to go B&Q today. I'm going to get some paint. And then once all the white's done, I'm going to start. It's nothing drastic, it's just literally a bit of paint on this wall just to make it like look like a playroom. So I'm going to start that wall shortly. And we have the floor. Let me show you the floor. So the floor's here, and you can't see it because Sam has put it. We've got the floor, but you can't see what it is yet. So that's being fitted very shortly. I will see you when the painting's done, probably when the floor's down. Everything's been moving really quick with this room and I'm really happy. Normally there's like delays, but we've been able to buy things for this room and get it done like ASAP. So I'll probably see you next when I've done the room and the floor's down. I've also got some really cute things off Etsy, some personalised things for Arthur, and some little cute boy little things for his playroom, which I think are dead cute. And obviously I know I say it every time, but this is the room I'm excited about. So probably next time I see you, it'll be halfway to finished. See you in a bit. So I've been to B&Q and bought a paint for this wall because the room is finished now, but it's very white. So I bought this Craig & Rose in Braise Blue, and I've just done a line at the bottom which I'm going to paint. This was supposed to be, I got it for a bargain actually, it was supposed to be, let me just prop you down, it was supposed to be like £39 and I got it in the clearance and it was the exact colour I wanted. So I'm just going to open it now, I don't want to get it on my phone though. It was the exact colour I wanted and it was £14 down from like 39. This paint I've never heard of, Craig & Rose, and it's actually dearer than Farrow and Wall. So just see what colour it is. Do you know, I've realised since renovating I'm very much into my colours. Upstairs is like nude, calm, and then down here it's like those are mad colours. Why is this not opening? Oh. Another blue, like living room. But we're going to mix it and see how it goes. It looks quite dark. I don't want to get paint on my camera. So I will come back to you when it's done or when I'm halfway through. So paint's on and we're just leveling it off. Now I don't know if it's a little bit dark, but it does dry lighter. So that is it at the minute.
Don't mind my outfit.
Doesn't look very playroomy, but it's a trust the process kind of thing. So yeah. So it's the day after I've done the painting. It's come out a lot lighter than it was yesterday, which I'm happy with, but it definitely needs another coat. I don't know if you can see the colour, let me have a look. It's like a nice duck egg blue, I'll say. So it's officially been like 2 weeks since I last spoke to you guys. Loads have gone on in the playroom and around the house. So as well as the playroom vlog, I'm actually filming at the minute Renovation Part 4, I think it is. It's weird because months and months and months we've done nothing, and then it's all just happening now at once, and it's very exciting because the house is like nearly finished. So I can't wait to walk you through anything. But anyway, back onto the playroom. So I think last time I spoke to you, Sam was painting the white and the blue. We was gonna do like a rainbow theme, but we tried it out and it looked a bit naff. So we've literally just gone with the blue line and it looks really nice. It like contrasts with the things I've got for the playroom. The joiner's here today finishing off the floor. So there's the blue, that's all I'm gonna show you. And then literally we've got this like parquet floor, which is absolutely stunning. I love it. So half's done, half's not done, and then this is the state of the room. So literally he's gonna finish the floor today, then he's doing the skirts on Monday and the architrave, which we've ordered, and then literally the fun starts to begin. I can like build this little teepee tent and all these toys. I can Milton them all, put them all away, and get his play mat. I'm so excited, and his cute little curtains. So that's it up to now. We're a bit of a mess, but you've got to trust the process. So I'll probably see you when the floor's down and the room's looking a bit more together, and we're getting like chest of drawers for his toys and his playmat, and I'm so excited. Yeah, so I will see you shortly. It's very dark in here. It's dark in this room, so I can't remember where I last left off, but we've done so much to the playroom. I think it was like 2 weeks ago I spoke to you. Got a new lampshade from IKEA. I'm obsessed. Sam hates it. I love it. We've done quite a lot. So basically, I wanted these certain set of drawers for the playroom, and they were £50 from IKEA. It's the ones with the squares. Sorry, you can hear Cocomelon in the background. It's the ones with the squares, and then you put boxes in them for all these toys. Everyone's got them in the playrooms and they look really nice. Let me just turn so you can see, that's better. Everyone's got them and they look really nice in the playroom, so I wanted them, but they were £50 and we're a bit skint at the minute because we've just had the floor done, which I'll show you in a minute. And then we went to IKEA and there was some in the clearance section. IKEA now have like a marketplace, so when you go the till, there normally is a clearance bit where everything's like off the shelves or damaged. Now they've got a bit in the one where I live anyway, I don't know if this is nationally. Now they've got like a marketplace and it's a proper shop, and you can actually sell your furniture back to IKEA if you don't want it, and it's in quite good condition. And they'll pay you for it, and then people like me buy it. So you go in and it's all secondhand stuff. So the Kallax, which are here, £26. That's what I paid for, and it's already made, but I had to dismantle it to get it in the car. But yeah, and I got that cute little lamp from IKEA as well. I don't want to show you too much, but like this is where we're up to at the minute. The floor's done, and we've done the lights, so I'm really excited. So today it's just about getting all these toys down here, cleaning them and tidying a bit. So I will show you just before it's finished, or maybe when it's finished. So I'm really excited. See you in a bit. I can't believe I'm saying this, but the playroom is actually finished. We're done. Oh, I don't want you to see my kitchen. That's in another vlog. Oh, another story. Anyway, the playroom's finally finished. I'm so happy with it. It looks like a big open space now. It's much brighter, even though it's bricked up. So I'll just take you around, show you what I've done, and yeah, hope you like it. So this is my little man's playroom, which I love. So cute. So I'll just take you around things that I've done. So here we've got little things that he's done in baby sensory class, like his first Christmas card, his first Valentine's Day card, and first Mother's Day card. And that is cute, like little pegs. I just thought that's so cute. It adds to the room. Oh, I've not shown you this side actually. This is this side. How cute. Yeah, so basically we've got his little bookshelf here with all his favourite little books on, that I'll read to him when he gets older. He has got a bookshelf upstairs that we read to him at night. Then he's got, I don't actually know what these are called, but there was an offer in Argos, so when he's ready he can play with that. And then we've got loads of boxes here with all his toys, which is space for him. And then we've got my lovely plant from IKEA, which I think just does that shelf justice. Then we've got this massive play mat from TikTok Shop. I think it was 30 quid and it's huge. So he's now like rolling round, so this is perfect. So he doesn't bump his head. And the TP tent, I know, literally it was just over there for a second, so I've just put it up to show you, but that's where it'll be when he's playing. So yeah, and his little rocking horse, which I got off Marketplace for £5. Can you believe that? Then we've got a little sofa with all his teddies. He's literally obsessed with Peppa Pig. And then I got this made off Etsy, which I think is so cute. This is just a little couch, so when he's playing, we have a TV. And then all his toys, and then he can be on this mat. I do have a ball pit in there, but it's not in here at the minute. These cute little tassel curtains, please just ignore the garden, that is on the next renovation. These cute little tasseled voiles were, I think, really cute there from Dunelm, and they was like £10, so I think they add to the room. We've got a picture of my Jasper. We do need to get another one of Delilah for over there. but yeah. Then we've got the nappy area here, which I do need to fill nappies in. We've got his jumpery, which he loves. I don't know if I've shown you the floor properly. We've had the floor done. It's all the way through the house. But yeah, I think it looks really bright in here. Like it looks lovely and white and lovely and light. And then we've just got a pop of colour, which I love that colour. And I think the plant adds to it. But anyway, we've got a picture of my boy. And then round here, we've got a lovely summer wreath. And then this is our dining area. Also got this off Etsy. Someone custom made it and dropped it off at my house. And it was only £400 and it's huge. And then we've got his little high chair where he sits when we're having dinner. And yeah, that's it. I'm really happy with the playroom. I'm dead proud of it. So it's on to the next room, which is the kitchen. So yeah, thank you for watching this video and I hope you like his playroom. Thank you.